Hello everybody, my name is Lucas.
And my name's Elliot.
Today I want to talk about a project we made to help with something a lot of students struggle with, math. Math is a really important subject, not just for school, but for everyday life too. The problem is, many students find it hard to understand, and the usual way of teaching doesn't work for everyone. Some students get stuck or start to feel like they're just not good at math, but that's not really true. Everyone learns differently, and sometimes we just need a different way to learn. So to help with this, we created a math chatbot called DecimalBot using Scratch. Scratch is a fun, beginner-friendly tool that lets you build programs by connecting coding blocks. It's perfect for young coders like us. DecimalBot is designed to talk to students and help them solve math problems step by step. Instead of just giving the final answer, it guides the student through the problem so they can learn how to solve it themselves.
Now, Scratch technically doesn't use AI, but we tried to make DecimalBot seem smart by using things like logic rules, memory-like variables, and different response paths. For example, if the student gives the wrong answer, DecimalBot gives a hint or an easier question. If they get it right, DecimalBot might give them something a bit harder to keep things interesting. But on a side note, lists, randomized numbers, and the calculate check are AI too. We added problems from topics like addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals, multiplication of decimals, and division of decimals to make sure it's not the same every time. We added random numbers so the questions change. We also thought about the kinds of answers students might type, both right and wrong. We built MathBot to respond in a helpful way no matter what.
Of course, building MathBot wasn't always easy. Scratch doesn't use much AI, so we had to create a lot of logic ourselves. As we added more and more questions and paths, it got harder to keep everything organized. We also had to test it many times to make sure it worked properly with different answers and situations.
Even with those challenges, we're really proud of what we made of. Math DecimalBot feels like a friendly tutor that helps students learn instead of just telling them what to do. It teaches the next step, not just the answers, so students can do it themselves next time.
Thank you for listening, and we hope for students who need it, our project can make math a little easier
and even more fun. Now, I'm going to show you how our project works. These are the variables, so this is the answer, and this is the amount of questions you want. Let's pick easy. I want 3 questions. I don't know how to add decimals yet, so I'm going to press 1.26. Oh no, I got it wrong. So I'll give you a new one. 2.74 plus 4.45. I don't know this either. I got it wrong again. Now ask me if I need help. I want help. Yes, I do. Now explains to me what to do in a very descriptive way. Once it's done, it gives me a new question. And I know how to do this now since it explained 6.95. Oh, I got it wrong again. Maybe I'll press the help button. I need help with addition. So it also tells me what to do. Now we're done. Thank you for listening, and I hope for you to try our project.